So welcome to my Leetcode solving section. This is called a 961 unrepeated element in a 2n array. Okay, so this problem is simple that someone give you an array, there are 2n and there are n plus 1 unique element, and exactly one these elements repeat n times, and we need to return the element repeat n times. So 1 2 3 3 return 3, 2 1 2 5 3 2 2. Okay, so once you understand question, you realize that this question just asks about so we can reduce this question into there are some array, then there's one element which is duplicated, and the goal is we just need to find a duplicated. Okay, so we create a dictionary, and for I in each element, if I is not in this dictionary, then I just initialize it to be 0. So that means h will remember the list the element what you see. Then anytime if you see any duplicated element, then this is just the answer. So else just return. Okay, so that's it. And by using this way, then at most it's linear time. It's O(n) time, right? It's O(n) time, and in most situation you will never see, because there are 2n. So most situation you will only see like n divided by 2 times. So if the total length is n, then you will see n divided by 2 times. So this is the worst case. So by using this, then you don't have to see all the list, because every time you see some number is duplicated, that number must be the answer. Okay, so you see the runtime is still okay, and the memory usage is very small because it's also at most n. It's at most n divided by 2. At most n divided by 2. Okay, so that's it. I will see you guys in the next video, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.